Hello and welcome to day 28 of 100 Days of Soulforce. My name is Joseph Arnold. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to tell you about a trip that I'm going on. So I'm not going to be here for the next 18 days. I'm going to take a little break from doing these videos because I'm going to the Amazon Rainforest in Ecuador. Going to the headwaters there with the Pachamama Alliance, which is a climate change advocacy group. They do some really great work, and one of their big projects is acting as support and liaison between the people who live in the jungle at the Amazon headwaters and organizations like the UN. So they help, they're helping the indigenous people there turn the Amazon headwaters into a permanently protected area. And they also run these tours. So I'm going to be going down there tomorrow, bright and early, and I'll be in the jungle for 12 days. I'll be in Ecuador for 14 days. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. I'm going to fly into Quito and then take some puddle jumpers into the rainforest, and we're going to go really deep into the rainforest, going to some villages that you can only get to via canoe, and we're going to sleep in the huts of the people who live in the jungle and take part in their life in various ways. Yeah, and I also got this guy. It's a travel violin called the Cricket, and I'm going to bring this into the jungle. I can just stick that into my backpack. And one of my plans for this, is just to play for the indigenous people and hopefully play with them. I think that'll be a lot of fun. And also to make some videos. So I'll make some videos for this 100 Days of Soulforce series, and also one of myself playing the Bach Chaconne in the jungle. And I got excited about that recently. I don't know if the Bach Chaconne has ever been played at the Amazon headwaters before. And so I'm very excited to do that and to make a little video of that, since it's such a special piece. And yeah, the Amazon is such a special place for me. I've never been, and yet it calls to me. Hearing stories of the destruction that's going on down there often brings me to tears. Yeah. So I want to see it. I want to see it before it goes. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully efforts like those of the indigenous peoples and the Pachamama Alliance, efforts like these are going to make a big difference in protecting that area. One reason this trip is so important for me is, because of my book and the whole Soulforce project, which is in part based on the question, like, what can we as artists do to help reverse global climate change? The climate crisis, the ecological destruction that's happening. And I go into some detail about this in my book and in some of these videos. You can check out some of my other videos on this topic. So I feel a special connection with this trip and with that area of the world on a number of levels. Yeah, I kind of think that's all I have to share for today, but I'll end with the very ending of the Chaconne. Maybe I'll just do the whole last section. I like that section a lot. going to be back right at the beginning of April, and I'll be bringing you more videos in the 100 Days of Soulforce series, videos from Ecuador, videos of the jungle, more talks on like, what is Soulforce and how does that apply to music, and how does that apply to, or music and other arts, how does that apply to yeah, big issues like the climate crisis. So, I'll see you then.